truck coming a mile away. I'm betting it turns the corner any second now. Oh, shit. There's C.
Really doing it. Boys Weekend 21.
Woo!
Okay. Just got here. There's the Trenny. There's the beautiful setting for today's festivities, which will include some filming and
Some drinking.
some drinking, really.
Yeah.
And then tonight will be Cavalan, and tomorrow is our luxurious trip to Shelter Point.
That'll be excellent.
Exciting. All
We
right.
got the whole beach to ourselves, it looks like. C's living the
Lemon light. First cocktail of Boys Weekend.
Woo!
Oh, sounds like freedom.
You got the pineapple, I got the mango. Hashtag delicious.
Oh, no.
Hey everybody! Welcome to another episode of Trenny and C. I'm Trenny. This is C. Today we have a legit unboxing from Lockenworth Winery. No.
This is actually from Brown-forman and our boy Taylor Corrigan. So thank you for sponsoring this August Dram Club. To put a timestamp on this, it's actually Boys Weekend right now.
It is Boys Weekend.
And this is one of our fun little activities.
This is one of our on-location spots too. You've probably seen this in summers past, where we've filmed in this exact location, and
Here we go again.
here we go again.
All right.
So
Why don't
I'm
you?
gonna start by just
Delicious.
first sip of whiskey for the day.
Okay. So why don't you unbox?
Okay, we've got the knife here. I'm gonna cut towards myself as always.
That's right. Safety first, always at Trenny and C.
Yeah. I don't know how sharp this knife. Here, you do that end.
Yeah. Pass me the blade.
Blade first.
We always pass blade first at Trenny and C.
Oh yeah, let's do this. Oh man, we got some fun ones.
It looks loaded. Okay.
Looks like a lot of fun. Okay,
Okay, I'll
what do
pull
we
one out first. I'll
pull it out.
Oh,
Look at
nice.
this,
a classic. Jack Daniel's Single Barrel Select, 47%. I love this bottle.
It's
personally.
a great looking bottle for sure. Yeah, really nice. This is kind of like the top of the line in the Jack Daniel's range. So we're always excited to try these.
And this one has a little bit of info. Barrel 2006149, filled on 10/2/20.
Ooh, it's a 2020 bottling.
Rick House L5. So there's your information. Single Barrel Select Tennessee Whiskey is the signature offering in our single barrel collection with subtle notes of caramel spice, bright fruit notes, and sweet aromatics. Freaking awesome.
Okay, I'm gonna pull out the next one here.
Okay.
We've got the Gentleman Jack. Yeah.
So we
cool.
personally have had quite a few moments with the Gentleman Jack. Like when you think about like how delicious a whiskey it is, like it's often related to like what you were doing at the time that you were drinking
nostalgic thing.
And this one, we'll talk more about it when we do the review video. But
there's a Trenny and C moment. You could say.
I think it was actually pre-Trenny and C.
Pre-Trenny and C, yeah.
What else you got?
Okay, what else we got here? I'm not gonna bring out. Okay, here we go. This is cool. We've got at 45.2% Woodford Reserve. This is a classic in its own right. All three of these so far, total
big
classics. So this is going to be a fun Dram Club, I think.
And then next we have the Old Forester 86, which is actually kind of like newer in these parts.
Yeah.
But this is also one of the go-tos that we have. I mean, Is that a bug in my ear? Bug in my ear. That's, you know what? Anything can happen when you're on location.
One year there was a spider creeping behind us.
Oh yeah, that's right. That was a 40 Creek video, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, Old Forester 86, absolute staple. You got to have it in your home bar at all times.
Yeah.
And then it looks like we're gonna be able to not only Dram Club, but summer masterclass these as well, because we got
doubles.
two of
We got
each.
duplicates.
Yeah, two of these, two of those.
Two of these.
We got one more of it, yes, and a gentleman jack. So we will be summer masterclassing, Dram clubbing, and we may even throw something else special in there as well.
I think we might as well.
Just to perk it up.
Yeah. So very cool. These are classics. Sometimes people you overlook them because they're staples, right? They're everywhere.
Sometimes you
But
need to revisit them.
You need a good revisiting, and that's what we hope to do. And it's perfect summer weather for revisiting Jack Daniels and all these delicious whiskeys.
So thank you again, Brown-Forman and Taylor Corrigan, and we are going to we're gonna have lots of fun with these this month. I think we'll probably cocktail with them. We'll probably do all kinds of different things. So if you want to join Dram Club, just send us an email, trennyandc@gmail.com, and we'll put you on the list. So click like, subscribe.
Cheers.
Cheersies.